Georgia is stirring the noodles ever so graciously right before we obliterate them with our mouths. She ate it.
No more ketchup.
Shit, son. Does it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Stir and stir, 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 stir. Poke and stir, stir, stir. Poke, 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 poke. Stir, stir, stir. Good, so good. Stir, 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 stir. Poke, 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 stir.
You're walking down the road with this.
Of course I am. Burp. Stir, stir, stir.
You're done.
Beauty. What if my phone falls in it? I would cry.
I've dropped it in the noodles. Leave them.
I'd ingest it.
There. I'm gonna put them in the fridge.
No! Oh, they're really hot.
Don't touch. Show them your poster for the next 5
Are you fucking serious? Look what I did. Bonnie is Georgia's mum, by the way. Look at these pictures that some children drew. How classy, but look at mine. Mine's the best. She put the noodles in my fridge. How sick is that clock? Look at that fucking clock. It's like fucking amazing. Look at that cooker. I want to have babies with a cooker. It's gonna kill me. What if it like stabs me and feeds me knives?
Shut up!
Back off. Back off, Bonnie. Back off. Spoon.
Let's go.
We're going now.
Shut up!
Sparkling water. Shut up, you dog. Shut up, you dog. You canine. You fucking member of canine species. You fucking dog.
Right, you're holding.
I was insulting a dog just now.
It tastes really sweet.
Is it? Oh.
Oh, we didn't put salt with them. It tastes
Right.
different.
We're gonna stop this here, because we are walking through town, holding this, and eating it like a bad man, and toodles.